Hi, this is Dr. Mawani. We are here with Betsy. Betsy
Hi.
is from Phoenix.
Phoenix, Arizona.
And so she came out here for us to fix her old RK, her old radial keratotomy.
Yep.
And she had poor vision and,
Terrible vision. 24 cuts in each eye.
yeah. And you had a lot of halos.
A lot of halos. Could never drive at night.
Anything else?
Just a lot of discomfort that you just can't do what you want to do.
Yeah, yeah. And so what we did was we actually repaired her radial keratotomy with topographic guided ablation using the San Diego protocol. And what it does is we use the system to segmentally reconstruct the cornea with the laser to make it more uniform and even, so the optics of the cornea get better, the vision gets better. You've come a long way.
Oh, have I ever?
How are you doing now?
I'm doing great. I haven't seen this good in years,
Oh, awesome.
or this well in years. I'm just so pleased. This is one of the best things I've ever done. After I had the cataract surgery, and my eyes were getting worse and worse, and you were recommended to me by my optometrist, so I flew over from Phoenix. And we've been coming back here for what, about over a year now? Year and a half, yeah, year and a half.
We're done now.
We're done. We're done.
And we set up your eyes to, I actually just showed you the topography, the pretty dramatic change in the shape of the cornea before and the shape now. And you're talking about everything is improved and the vision's doing really well.
Yep.
And so, I think you went through a lot of years, if I remember correctly, where your vision was not good.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And so this has been quite a journey for us, and
Yeah.
we also did a little bit of what do you call modified monovision, so you could read without reading glasses.
That's
now, too.
right. No more reading glasses. That's really great. I like that.
Yeah. No, you've come a long way, and Betsy, it's been a pleasure taking care of you, and
Same
thanks for
here.
sharing it with
Oh.
with our viewers. Thanks.
Anytime.
Bye.